How's it going, guys? It's Jay, that drain guy. We're going up to an apartment today and we gotta take a look at a plugged toilet. Let's see what we find. Pretty sure we've been at this unit before. This might be a troubled unit, but we'll see.
Should we tell them we got it fixed? We fixed it.
Okay.
We called someone over to fix it, but we just wanted to know if we could still replace the toilet.
Replace the toilet?
Yeah, because it's like when it flushes, it takes a long time for the water to go down. It flushes slowly. And that's why there's.
I'm not going to be replacing the toilet. That would be up to the management. Do you want me to take a look at it?
Yeah. Could you? Mommy can do. Wait, give it a second. Okay. Yeah, look at it, Mommy.
So what's happening? You flush it and it's just going down slow?
It stays the stool stays in the toilet.
Okay,
and
so it's plugged.
Yeah, and it was like that when we first moved in, like in the beginning of November.
Okay.
And it continued to be like that. We called like 10 times in 1 month. I think it's really excessive.
Okay.
So like we wanted to just replace it because we think it's like old.
That you'd have to talk to the management about. That wouldn't be me.
Yeah, you can check it. We're just cleaning the water because there's a lot of water.
Yeah, because it overflowed.
It overflowed.
It overflowed over the whole.
If you don't mind waiting, you could check it. Don't worry.
Sorry. Okay. It's okay. Is she gonna leave? Oh, is she gonna leave?
No, we want to check it.
Okay. Just someone please. Sorry. Just tell her to put it in your room. So the manager, you just talked to him about the changing of the...
Yeah, I don't know if they will or not, but yeah, you'd have to talk to them during the week when the office is...
Do you know what the number is? Cause...
No, they won't change it on the weekend. If it's draining fine, they won't change it on the weekend.
Draining fine mean like flushing fine?
Yeah. So let me take a look at it, see if I can get it draining for you. If not, then yeah, you would talk to them about that.
And then where do I get that number from? Like just for the next, like on Monday I would call.
Should be right down on the office door, I believe.
Okay. Right outside?
Yeah, just on the...
Downstairs?
Or over at 325, sorry.
Okay.
I forgot which building I was in.
Is it online? Okay.
It should be online.
Okay.
But I'm not too sure. I don't work for the management, right?
Okay. Okay.
I'm okay to go in?
Okay, Mama, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, sorry.
No, don't be sorry. You're good.
Okay.
Hello.
Okay, go ahead.
This is too much for us. They're also abusing us. I don't know what did I do to them.
You don't know.
My senior mom with my children. Since they make me move this house, I'm struggling like this every day.
Yeah, eh?
We boiled something in the cup.
Well, that's no good.
So what can we do? I don't know what to do. I need help really. These all I'm cleaning, look, water coming here.
Where'd the water come from?
Why are we fixing? We went to now, we buy this.
That
Last time
plunger?
we buy, yeah, last time we have that, this we buy now. And the water all over when we push with that, like that.
Oh yeah?
It brings everything out.
So I'm gonna snake it out for you.
Yeah, please.
And then
Someone came and did like you before.
somebody like me before?
Before someone put this in and all of them, I don't like it. Too much water, too much damage. Why they don't change that thing?
I don't know.
But you have to report it for good. It's not good this thing. If you tell them, maybe they will change.
They won't change it. If I come here and I snake it out,
Every day I have to call it.
listen. If I snake it out and everything's running fine and everything's draining fine,
Yes, okay.
they won't do it.
Every time you have to call, huh?
You'd have to contact the office if you want a new toilet or something like that. You'd have to contact the office. The head office at 325, the office.
Yeah.
You'd have to go there and
Most people told me.
yeah.
And I said, the guy with the big stomach, the black guy, keep laughing at me with a big eye.
Oh yeah.
2 days, he made fun of me. Really? He wants money. Yeah, he wants money. Why? Some people tell me why I prove what they do because they move me from here.
Oh yeah.
For 1 year, just as well, this month we move. Every day we come.
Really?
Yeah. Really, my kids, very frustrated. They don't go to school. How they go? We went to Norton. We go. Last week,
Yeah.
we come like now by chance Friday, and then they come Monday.
Really?
We keep going back to Norton. My mom did Friday.
Yeah, that's not good.
Yeah, that's why I went to the family. Very nice. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, see, everything is flushing fine, right? Everything is flushing fine.
Yeah.
So, basically, the only thing I can do is tell you that if you guys want a new toilet, you have to talk to the management.
Management. How they get them? Even we don't know how to get them.
The
But only that guy come to me. When I go there, he abuse me. He just come and say, what do you want? Talk to me. I talk to you. You can't get them. You know you don't talk to them. I don't know how I get them.
Last time, basically, when someone came to fix it, they like brought something like an object out of there,
Big
and
thing.
yeah, like a big like kind of like a stone in a way.
oh yeah.
Yeah, so like I don't know.
Medal, like black medal.
Yeah.
Sabina.
Yeah, and he was looking here because he's like, oh, like there's something wrong.
The only thing I can say about something like that, right? That will never come up through the drain. That would have went down the toilet. Now, that may not have been you guys. That may have been the previous tenants, right?
Yeah.
So
It's a new one. I'm pretty sure.
They opened it.
No, wait. When we moved in here, they put a new toilet and a new bath, right?
Oh no. Oh, no.
Like maybe it was an
No,
old
no.
one. Maybe it was like an old one. You see how long it takes?
Mom, look in here. When I open here, I can see here.
Inside here, yeah.
No good. Look. It's too old. See how?
yeah, again, I know from my experience, the management, if the toilet's flushing fine, they won't. I'm pretty
don't see
positive
anything
they won't. I don't see anything wrong with it.
At all.
No, like everything's flushing fine.
So why
right?
is stuck all the time? Even my small time.
It's so weird.
The only thing I can say, and it's probably gross to you guys, maybe somebody who's using it needs more fiber in their diets.
No,
I don't.
it's more.
I don't live here. I'm just saying the things that I know, right?
Okay. We never had this issue in the other place.
Yeah,
It's like
they
so
move us to
weird.
fix our house. For 1 year we are here.
I don't know.
No, like maybe this, maybe that.
The only thing, like
for example, like
if there was something, the only other thing I could think is if there was something stuck in the toilet and something that could move, right? So when the snake goes through, it pushes it to the side, and then over time it may close up.
Okay.
If you think of like something hard, right, that may flap around. I don't know.
Like in a day, like if 3 people went to the washroom, like even if they just peed, it would something would be wrong. Isn't that so crazy?
If they just peed, that's that seems not right.
Okay. Like
right?
if it was to like for example a poo not to flush.
Yeah.
And it's like stuck up there. What would you suggest I do? Like just like let it, because it takes a long time to go down. I just let it, because sometimes like I would have to just wait and it would slowly go down.
Do you guys know how to? Do you know how to use a plunger properly?
Like that?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like push it really hard.
Okay, I'm gonna show you how to use it properly.
Okay.
Okay. So.
Okay.
Right. What you want to do? Okay.
Yeah.
Put it in. Let water get inside.
Okay.
All right. And then you push it down on the hole, right? And then little pumps.
Okay.
So basically what that's doing is taking the water that's in there and forcing it through.
Like the object out or...
No, it's if there's an object in there, it won't do much.
Okay.
But if it's just like poo or something like that, or too much paper or whatever, right? So like right now I'm blocking the hole, right? So you would get water in there, and then you would...
Okay, so
see what I mean?
Not like too hard.
No, you don't want to do it too hard.
Okay, that's what I would do.
Just, I know, just little pumps, right? Just enough to force it through.
Okay.
Okay? And now, if it's, say, like the water like that, right? You can press it. Don't hold it down all the way, but you can just touch it.
Touch it lightly.
Just a little bit, and it will start letting, because the more water that's in the bowl, the more you can get a push on it, right?
Okay.
So,
like what happened was I was pushing it, and then I like flushed it, and then it came out and it was pouring.
yeah, you really, you don't want to ever give it, like if it's plugged, you don't want to give it a full flush.
Okay.
Like you can just barely touch it.
Okay.
Like you see the water coming in there? That's basically, there's a flapper in there, right? It's just lifting the flapper a little bit to let it walk. But if you push the handle right down, it brings the flapper right up and then slowly comes down. So you just want to crack it just a little bit to get the water to build up a little bit.
And it's normal for like something to slowly go down, right?
No, but it could be, like I say, if it's the bowel movement is hard or something like that, that could take time. There could be. I'm not saying there's nothing stuck in there. I don't think there is. I don't feel there's anything in there.
It's a slower toilet. It's just slower.
It shouldn't be though.
I
so
know.
see what happens. The next time it happens, right? Let the management know. Like you guys called. You guys called somebody, right?
Yeah, Metro Housing.
Okay, so call them again and just say, if it backs up again, right?
Yeah.
Just say, listen, this has happened too much. And then when the super comes up, did he come up tonight?
No.
Nobody came up?
No, they never come up. It's just
They-
guys they come up.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, that's good. Okay.
I'll put on my report
Okay.
that if it happens again, maybe it needs to be changed out. Okay?
Okay. Thank you
But
so much.
I'll be honest with you, a lot of times they don't listen to our recommendations because it costs money, right? If they gotta bring somebody in to change the toilet, now they gotta pay for the cost of the toilet and the service call for the guy to do it, right? If it's...
It's okay. It's cool. It's
Sorry,
okay. I'm just gonna try my best not to over.
never overflow and never push really hard, because if you push really hard, then it can just explode like you guys are saying, right?
Okay. Thank you so much.
No problem.
Thank you.
No problem. Have a good night, guys.
I never seen the kind like.
Yeah, you're super nice. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Have a good night. Alright, there you go, guys. Hopefully another happy customer. I didn't really see any issue with the toilet, but it is what it is. So until next time, this has been Jay, that drain guy, signing out. Trogna.